Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix incompatible mods found in Fabric Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So you might get this error pop up whenever you try to load a mod into your Fabric launcher. This is the reason because of different versions between the mod and the Fabric loader. So for example, if you go right here to your Fabric loader or you go to installations, you can see that the specific installation mod for this Fabric loader is 1.2.1.11. You need to make sure that your mod version is matching the same number as here. So whenever you go and download a mod, you can see for each one has the version of it right here in the name. So for this one, like a block, I can download an older one, but I will need to have an older mod version. Now you can either upgrade or downgrade your mod version to match for the launcher, or you can change the launcher settings. So to upgrade the mod, you can just download whichever one that you will need. But to downgrade or upgrade the mod, then you can just go here, go to the folder, open the launcher, go right here to your mods. And then from here, you can see for the sodium fabric. And then you're just going to install the installer, which is going to be the Fabric installer right here that you already have. Click on it. And then from here, you can see for the Minecraft version, you can just select whichever one that can match for whichever one that is right here. And once you install it, then you can just switch to it in Minecraft and you can switch the loader to be a different version and then you can play. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.